Hey girls, it's Miss Lauren here with Kids Can Code again, and I just want to tell you that I had so much fun with our virtual events that we did last week that I'm going to be offering more. So if you are on the wait list or if you didn't get to join me, maybe your Wi-Fi went out or something, I am going to be doing events for just daisies, just brownies, just juniors, and then I'll also have an event for cadet seniors and ambassadors combined again. Now you will get your first badge for Coding for Good, and we will be working together to learn about algorithms and loops. Daisies, brownies, and juniors will work in CodeSpark Academy again. Cadets, seniors, and ambassadors will continue working in JavaScript on VidCode. And then we'll work on the second badge, which is game design, and then the third badge, which is app development. So across all levels, I'll be offering virtual classes, which have turned out to be super fun, interactive. I think you'll get a lot out of it. Just sign up today when you check out this link below, and you can sign up for any of those upcoming classes. I can't wait to see you and to give you your first badges in Coding for Good. This is going to be awesome.